Okay guys, welcome to Engineering Graphics. We're going to start out today in chapter 2. The first drawing we're going to do is an Inventor, and we're going to go up here to New. Make sure your units are in English. Come over to Standard Inches IPT, highlight it, come over and click Create, which is a left click. And we'll wait for that to load. Okay, once we get our screen, we're going to go here to the origin, open that up, go to 2D sketch. All you have to do is go where the pencil and paper icon is at the very top, left click that once, come over and click, I'm going to choose that plane, and I'll come over and start with the line command. And right here is our origin. I'm just going to click that origin with the left mouse button one time, move in the direction I want to go, make sure it's straight, and type in 2.5, enter. I'm going to use my middle mouse button to scroll out, and I'm going to hold that down and drag it over, and then I'm going to roll that middle button back up where I can kind of see what I'm doing here. I'm going to lead the cursor in the direction I want to go, and I'm going to type 0.75, enter. I'm going to straighten it up, lead it in the direction I want to go, type in 1.75, enter. And see, I made a mistake here, so it's no problem. I can hit my escape button, come back, double click that, type in 1.75, enter, and it makes the change for me. What I have to do now is go back to my line command, click it, come back to my endpoint of the previous line and get that green button there, or dot, left click it once, straighten it up, lead it in the direction I want to go, type in 1.75, enter. And now my drawing is partially off the screen, so what I'm going to have to do is use my middle button, scroll it out, move it around, scroll it back in. Now lead it in the direction you want to go, make sure it's straight, type in 0.75, enter. And now all I have to do is close that out by coming down to my starting point, the origin, and I get my green point, and just left click once. Now I have a 2D sketch, and now I want to add some depth of 3D dimensions to that. So what I'm going to do is finish my sketch, and I'm going to roll that out with my middle button, come up to extrude, and you can see it's defaulted at 1 inch. I want 2.5, enter. And now I have a 3D object. But we're not quite finished, as you can see in the book. So what I need to do is add another sketch. So I'm going to go back to my sketch, click it one time with my left mouse button. I'm going to choose the top of that part. I'm going to go to my line command, click it once. I'm going to choose that corner, and it's going to turn green. I'm going to left mouse click once, lead it in the direction I want to go, type in 2.5, enter. Lead it in the direction I want to go, type in 2.5, enter. Lead it, 0.75, enter. Lead it, 1.75, enter. Lead it, and it doesn't matter if I go here with that length or here, as long as I'm 90 degrees and I type in 1.75, it's going to go to that point. And then again, I'm going to close it out with the green point. Go to finish sketch, go up to extrude. This time you have to come over and choose the part that you want to extrude. And as you can see, it goes in the opposite direction. I need to go down, and we control that here with these buttons, direction 1, which it was going, and I want to go direction 2 and hit OK. Now the last thing we want to do is put a 3/4 inch hole right on that surface. So what I'm going to do is go to the top of that cube. See how I can highlight the top of that cube there? I'm going to click it, and I'm going to go get another sketch. This will be my third sketch. I'm going to click on that surface. I'm going to go to my circle, and I need a 3/4 inch circle. So what I'm going to do, I'm just going to run my mouse cursor along that line till it turns green, and I know I'm in the center. And then once I'm in the center, I can just go up. I'm not clicking anything, but soon I'm going to have the center. It locates the other side. So I can click that one time, type in 0.75, enter. Finish sketch. I don't need any dimensions because I located the center line by using the cursor. I'm going to go to extrude, and this time instead of joining material I want to cut, so I'm going to use my cut. I'm going to come over here and choose the circle and hit OK. And now we have the first part completed, and this will be called chapter 2.0. And in the next video I'm going to show you how to take this part, put it on a blueprint, and put all the correct dimensions, and that's what you'll submit to me for a grade. Okay guys, see you next time.